Hello, welcome to my final project, which I did at Friends of Design. In this project, the aim was to take audio as an input through a microphone and use that signal to manipulate the visual effects graph in Unity. I should say a quick thanks to Keijiro Takahashi for the help in setting out public repositories on GitHub. As you can see, we have two options right from the start: observe or explore. Let's observe for now. Once again, we are presented with two options, either day or night. Let's have a look at the day option. Here, we find a figure practicing capoeira in the middle of a vast open space. As time goes by, the sun appears. But this sun is a special one, because it's audio reactive. Then, two vortex-like systems come into play, and you realize that the sun is being pulled into them. A bridge is formed between the user and the dancer, and as you can produce sound, the bridge changes in form and color. Finally, snaking structures explore the universe, their newfound home. I suppose one could see this as the first organisms exploring their environment. Alright, enough of that. Let's go to the explore section. But first, I use sound interactivity to make the exit menu more interesting, so that it doesn't just serve as an exit menu and serves as a piece of art on its own. In the explore section, we enter a universe that stores all the particle systems used in this project. We can use the keys on the keyboard to navigate and the mouse to look around. The sound coming through the microphone makes the space come to life. We can also look at each system on their own to get a better idea of how they look and function by themselves. This here is my favorite, as it makes me feel close to the sun. And when we zoom out, you can see the beautiful turbulence at play. Perhaps this was how the universe started. If you watched this far, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch one of my first creative passion projects.